This is a professional cooking video. We're going to be cooking basil pesto. And I'm going to harvest this late season plant right here. Oh. Yeah. Ugh. Got it. Kind of got it. There we go. Good job. There's the basil. And there's a little bit on the side there. Can we grab that? Get it out of the shot? Thank you. I can only imagine how the basil feels. We'll try our best not to empathize with it. Here we're harvesting some cilantro. No, that's parsley. And my hand's in front of the shot. Okay. Well, you could use cilantro probably, but we're going to be using parsley. Some fresh parsley from the garden. Instead of using our own recipe carefully honed over years, we're going to be borrowing this recipe, which is from the Moosewood cookbook. Here's the cover. In the front there, that's our co-chef, Mr. Smiley. He's going to be helping out today, making sure that, he's a bit of a taskmaster, so he's going to make sure we're on course here. Oh, we're melting some butter. Yeah, that takes 30 seconds. Okay, there we go, all melted now. It's all melted. Now let's pour some olive oil. Okay. So we're pouring some olive oil. This is taking a lot longer than it should, but that's okay. We'll just sit and wait. Okay, it's not done yet. All right, how's everybody doing today? Oh, there it's done. Okay, perfect. Time to blend everything together in the blender. That's 3 cups of basil. Three-quarters cup. Ah, Jesus Christ. It was also 3/4 cups of parsley, but we're onto the olive oil now. That was half a cup. We'll add the 1/4 cup of butter. Okay, get out of there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's the butter. Okay, the butter's finished. All right, time for the nuts. That's nuts. Am I right? Yeah. That was 1/2 a cup of walnuts. And we'll be blending things soon. Any moment now. But first, I have to add some Parmesan. And I'm going to be adding 3/4 cups of Parmesan. You may be able to hear the fountain in the background. That's what that water sound is. Just a feature in this very professional studio. Need to have some soothing background noise. There's the garlic. That was 2 cloves of garlic minced. Carefully add the lid so it's completely sealed. And start the engine. Motor. Electricity. We want to start that on a low blending setting and then move it up to a higher blending setting so it gets really pureed. I'm thinking that sound isn't too pleasant, so I'm going to cut the volume and put some music over this. Alright, that was one of my all-time favorite songs. And now we are back to the action. Let's get a good look at that pesto. Oh, where'd it go? I don't know. And pour it in this bowl. Beautiful. Delicious pesto. Professional chef pesto. Professional Completely professional pesto. The most professional. Let's give it a taste. Okay, tasting. Yeah, buttery, cheesy, olive oil, full of basil flavor. Let's try it on a cracker. Just delicious. Just perfect. Doesn't get any better than that. Thanks for watching this professional chef demonstration of how to cook pesto. After eating the pesto for a refreshing snack, I ate this frozen golden dragon fruit. They're delicious. It's like a little exotic popsicle or sorbet. Like and subscribe if you want videos that have nothing to do with this but are also cool. Whoa. Oh my god. Love me some pesto. So good. Recipe was great. Had a great time. The kids love it. My wife Janine loves it. We go to the Italian restaurant to eat it, but now we can make it at home.